When it is about getting off the grid to explore the wilderness, not every camper would like to go with monstrous camper vans that make them break their banks. Instead, some trailers look for affordable alternatives, which offer all the camper van facilities. In essence, more than those vehicles. In that case, a truck camper can be a great solution as it provides virtually all the amenities of home but in the great outdoors. This video will discuss some of these off-road conquerors, the top 5 truck campers' key attributes to help you understand which is your best fit. So, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Engineered with industry-leading materials and built to provide you with a seamless adventure, this Earthcruiser Terranova comes with virtually everything you usually find in your sweet home. This truck camper is designed like a racing yacht. It features a luxurious interior, and its surface is constructed of high-quality fiberglass. Hence, it will stand up to years of challenging trials. The truck camper comes with a triple-layer curtain, including 8 windows, and they offer a 360-degree panoramic view that will be beneficial for stargazing. Now, let's talk about what other impressive features it's got. Its living quarters contain a premium countertop with stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, steel refrigerator, kitchen faucet, modern bathroom, freshwater pump, purified drinking tap, and the list goes on. Finally, this truck camper is super light, boasts rugged construction, and all these functions allow you to ride your vehicle on the most challenging terrain comfortably. Embrace the modern, luxurious, and comfortable way of camping with this Flatbed Bahn truck camper, which allows you to customize your vehicle according to your needs to make your camping in the wild much more fun. Unlike other truck campers, Flatbed Bahn truck camper boasts extremely rugged shells made out of resin-infused fiberglass. This material is going to withstand everything your wilderness expedition throws at it. Another striking feature of this truck camper is that it offers a custom interior mounting system, and the system is going to allow you to decorate your camper with any floor plan you can dream of. For instance, if you want a full wet bath, you can have it. Not only that, but you can also install a gear hauler and additional bunks for your little ones. Although this truck camper comes with loads of innovative functions, it surprisingly weighs only 700 pounds. As a result, you get more acceleration, speed, and maneuverability while riding on and off roads. Meet the Scout Campers Kenai, specially designed for avid campers who don't want to miss any facilities of homes, even while whirling around in the great outdoors. Its exterior lets you install various types of camping essentials, including a 270-degree awning to shade you and your camper groups. Besides, this truck camper allows you to have the benefits of a rooftop tent and so on. Now, let's take a look at the interior. It's got nearly all your home amenities. You can set up a burner cooktop, a freezer, hanging storage bags, a portable heated rinse station, portable toilet, and more. Even after housing such features, this truck camper weighs under around 1,400 pounds. That means its engine doesn't have to work that much harder to propel the vehicle on all terrains smoothly. As our second best option, we have this LOKI Basecamp Falcon series, which boasts a combination of modern engineering and excellent craftsmanship to make your overlanding and camping experience unforgettable. This truck camper is available in 3 different models, and all 3 models virtually contain all the necessary functions you need for an excellent outdoor trip. Anyway, let's talk briefly about those functions. Speaking of the shell, each truck camper is crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, making it appropriate to resist the harshest elements you typically encounter during camping. That's all for the shell. Now, let's get inside of this truck camper. As you hop inside, you'll be surprised to see these campers' luxurious interiors. There's nothing you can't find here. All of them feature everything from the kitchen, lounge to the comfortable bed area. Top of that, they also contain a mudroom, retractable canopy, double glass windows, and so on. In short, no matter how long your camping trips can be, this LOKI Basecamp Falcon series will never disappoint you with its impressive functions. Experience the ultimate wilderness and urban adventures with the CyberLandr Transforms, which is the mini home that you can take along with you wherever you want to prefer to camp. This truck camper is crafted from premium quality materials to ensure ultimate longevity and durability. These materials will help your truck camper to withstand the harshest elements. Unlike many truck campers, this one boasts a luxurious living room, including a home automation system, 32-inch 4K UHD Smart TV, freestanding seating, sound system, etc. Furthermore, it houses a relaxing bedroom, featuring a comfortable RV queen bed, dual-pane windows, and so on. Speaking of the bathroom and office, this truck camper comes with a spa-inspired bathroom with all the modern washroom functionalities. And the corner office section will allow you to accomplish different types of office work while traversing through various places. Last but not least, despite housing many modern and innovative features, this truck camper has a surprising dry weight of 1,200 pounds, so it can ride from point A to B in a snap. So, that's all about the top 5 truck campers for small trucks. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.